What happened? Not able to see the slide.
Now it's blank. It was visible earlier.
Yeah. Something has happened. Okay. So we were telling about the techniques of design. I'll just quickly go over it. So we had done gradation. So these are the different ways in which we can make various patterns. So various designs.
I did little of those.
You did little of those. I think till here you did repetition. Till rhythm you did.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one was static, wherein it is like we want to show that something is stationary or it is not moving. So that is called static. And dynamic means something that shows movement. So here it is going in a curve, or it is on the birds flying. So there is some movement that we want to show in this. Now, this is symmetry. Symmetry, like mirror image, any pattern where we want to show that. Okay. Then we have asymmetry, where it doesn't, it's just random. It is not having any symmetry. Then grouping means here we have, if we want to show that there is a group of objects that is together and a group of another objects that is different, we usually have a group of things that is in one corner or something like that. So this is showing that this one is separate from this group of objects. So that is called grouping. And tension means we want to show there is a push or a pull where one of there will be the edges or the sides will be together, or it will be having a overlap, and we are trying to show that okay, there is a pull. So one of this one is getting pulled, or it can be something that is like this. It is just showing that it is going to drop off, something like that. Okay. So this is tension.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have only very few remaining, and then we will go to design. Okay. So where were we? Okay. So you can, the next is space or placements. Okay. So where we are going to show that in a place we are going to show that there is a scaling uh, uh, that is if there is an object, we are trying to say that okay, this one is a small object. Now it is this is the larger version of that object. So how we will show is we will be showing it in a bigger size. Now anything that is a little bigger, we will show it in this way. So how we will show the different, it is called scale. So the scale is basically we have a measure, right? So you have the measuring scale. So yeah, in that, if you say that, okay, if let's say that we are saying one object is there, and you're saying that another object is double the size, or it is double the size, then we can scale it up. So it is the two of this put together is the size of it, something like that. Okay, so we have scaled it up. Or if we typically this is used in places. So you would have seen people draw from a photo. You're going to draw an image which is bigger. Okay, so you're going to make a painting. So there we will be scaling it. So if
Tulsi,
yes.
Tulsi, I think Harini is waiting. Can you add
Oh,
her?
that is later. Okay. Can't see.
She's asking, can you see us waiting? You can't see?
Oh, wait a minute. I cannot see. Now she's come. Yeah. Why is it taking so long for her to join? I think maybe some network issues there. I don't know. I've added her, but it's still showing joining.
Maybe she left by then. Shall I ask her to join again?
Yeah, I admitted her. In the meeting. Okay. I don't know how to. You messaged her?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let her join. Um, so that is the scaling. So if you want to draw, so let's say that this is a person. Okay, so we want to draw a bigger image of that. So what we'll be doing, we'll do it like this, right? So this is a very simple thing, but when what we actually are doing is we are dividing this into different parts, and then each part we are making it bigger. Okay, so we are dividing it and making it bigger. So if this is let's say that this is 1 centimeter, then here it should be 2 centimeters, some like that. Okay, so we are basically making it bigger. So if anything that you want to make it bigger, you can think that you can divide it, you can make grids on it and try to make it bigger. We will be learning this technique later, but this is what is called scale. Okay, so you can you can draw some square or something as you come. I don't see Harmony yet.
She did not reply.
Why is it a problem at my end? I'm not sure. Even my mother is waiting and I'm not able to. Should I leave and rejoin?
You can try.
Okay, I'll pause.